Beans and lentils. For a long time, folks thought of them as plain and simple food. Maybe something you ate when you didn't have much else. But guess what? Things have changed. Beans and lentils are stepping into the spotlight and showing everyone how amazing they really are. Remember that dish your grandma used to make, the one with beans and maybe some spices? It turns out Grandma was onto something. Those simple beans are packed with good stuff that's super healthy for us. It's not just Grandma who knows the secret anymore. Experts and scientists are now saying we should all be eating more beans and lentils. They've even put out a special report about it. You know those folks? The ones who seem to have all the answers when it comes to food and your health? The people who are always up to date on the latest studies and dietary recommendations? Who are always studying food and health, poring over research papers and attending conferences to learn about the best ways to nourish our bodies? They're called nutritionists. These are the trained professionals who dedicate their careers to understanding the complex relationship between food and well-being. And they've got some exciting news. They've been working hard, analyzing data, and putting together some recommendations that could really make a difference in how we eat and feel. They've been looking closely at what makes a healthy diet, examining all the different food groups and nutrients that our bodies need to thrive. And guess what made the list? What food group has earned their enthusiastic endorsement? You got it, beans and lentils. These humble legumes have been recognized for their incredible nutritional value. These experts put together a special report, a comprehensive guide to help us make informed choices about what we eat, with advice on how to eat better, providing practical tips and strategies for incorporating healthy foods into our daily lives. And right there, at the top of the list, shining like a beacon of healthy eating, is a big recommendation to eat more beans and lentils. They're not just suggesting it, they're urging us to make these legumes a regular part of our diet. They say these little powerhouses are so good for us, packed with nutrients and offering a wide range of health benefits. We should be eating them every week, incorporating them into our meal plans and finding creative ways to enjoy them. Why all the fuss? What makes beans and lentils so special that they deserve this level of attention? Because beans and lentils are nutritional superstars. They're not just good for you, they're exceptionally good for you. They've got stuff in them that our bodies love. Essential vitamins, minerals and fiber that contribute to overall health and well-being, and need to be strong and healthy, fueling our muscles, supporting our immune system and keeping us feeling our best. They're like tiny treasure chests filled with good-for-you ingredients, unlocking a wealth of benefits with every bite. We often overlook the simplest foods, but sometimes the greatest treasures come in the smallest packages. Don't let their small size fool you. Beans and lentils are nutritional powerhouses. These unassuming legumes are packed with an incredible array of nutrients that can significantly boost your health and well-being. First up, they're packed with protein, a vital macronutrient that plays countless roles in keeping us healthy and strong, the building blocks of our bodies. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting immune function, and producing enzymes and hormones. Need to build muscles or recover after a workout? Beans and lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein to fuel your fitness goals. Have more energy? Protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels, providing a steady and sustained source of energy throughout the day. Say goodbye to energy crashes or just feel full and satisfied. The combination of protein and fiber in beans and lentils creates a feeling of fullness, helping you manage your appetite and maintain a healthy weight. Beans and lentils have got you covered. They are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into countless dishes, from soups and stews to salads and side dishes. But wait, there's more. The benefits of these little legumes extend far beyond just protein. They're also bursting with fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest, but that plays a crucial role in our health, which is like a superhero for our digestion. Fiber adds bulk to our stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber keeps things moving smoothly and helps us feel our best. A healthy digestive system is essential for nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall well-being. Plus, it helps us control our blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which is important for everyone, but especially for folks managing diabetes. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels can help prevent energy crashes, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve overall health. And hold on, because the list goes on. We've only scratched the surface of the amazing health benefits that beans and lentils have to offer. Beans and lentils are full of a wide array of important vitamins and minerals that are essential for optimal health and well-being. Like iron, which is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout the body and preventing fatigue. Folate, vital for cell growth and development, especially important during pregnancy. And potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports healthy nerve and muscle function. These nutrients are essential for healthy blood, ensuring that your body has the oxygen and building blocks it needs to function properly. Strong bones providing the minerals necessary to maintain bone density and prevent osteoporosis, and keeping our energy levels up by providing a sustained release of energy and essential nutrients. Beans and lentils can help you feel energized and ready to tackle your day. It's like getting a whole bunch of health benefits in every bite. So embrace the power of these tiny beans and lentils and unlock a world of health and vitality. When we think about foods that are both delicious and incredibly good for us, beans and lentils often come to mind. These humble legumes are nutritional powerhouses, packed with benefits that extend far beyond just filling our bellies. One of the most amazing things about beans and lentils is how they can boost our heart health. They're like a natural shield, working tirelessly to keep our cardiovascular system in top shape. They're naturally low in fat, which is a significant advantage when it comes to maintaining a healthy heart. And they're completely cholesterol-free, making them an ideal choice for anyone looking to protect their heart health. High levels of fat and cholesterol can be tough on our tickers, leading to clogged arteries and increased risk of heart disease. Think of them as little heart helpers, working diligently to keep your cardiovascular system happy and healthy. They contribute to making sure everything runs smoothly, ensuring optimal blood flow and reducing the strain on your heart. But the benefits don't stop there. The fiber in beans and lentils is another key component in their heart-healthy profile. This dietary fiber also works wonders for our hearts, acting like a scrub brush for our arteries. It helps lower bad cholesterol levels, specifically LDL cholesterol, which is a major contributor to heart disease. When LDL cholesterol builds up in our arteries, it can create plaque, leading to blockages and increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. By keeping those levels in check, beans and lentils play a crucial role in preventing these dangerous buildups. In essence, beans and lentils help protect our hearts from the harmful effects of high cholesterol. They contribute to a stronger, healthier cardiovascular system, allowing us to live more active and fulfilling lives. But that's not all. The benefits of incorporating beans and lentils into your diet extend far beyond just heart health. Eating beans and lentils regularly is a simple yet powerful way to improve your overall well-being. They can also help with other health issues, contributing to a healthier and more vibrant you. Some studies suggest they can even help in the fight against serious diseases. Research indicates that regular consumption of beans and lentils may lower the risk of certain types of cancer, offering an additional layer of protection for your health. Now that's something to smile about. Incorporating these nutritional powerhouses into your diet is a delicious and effective way to invest in your long-term health and happiness. One of the best things about beans and lentils is how incredibly versatile they are. You can find them in delicious dishes from every corner of the globe. Take India, for example. Their famous lentil soup dal is a staple in many homes. It's warm, comforting, and packed with flavor. Or how about Mexico? Their black bean soup is a fiesta in a bowl, full of zesty spices and fresh toppings. And let's not forget about the Mediterranean. Their hearty stews and salads often feature chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. They add a wonderful nutty flavor and a satisfying texture. From Asia to Africa, Europe to the Americas, beans and lentils are true culinary stars. Okay, so you're ready to add more beans and lentils to your plate, but where do you start? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. One simple trick is to toss a handful of cooked lentils into your next salad. They add a boost of protein and fiber to keep you full and satisfied. Or how about stirring some black beans into your favorite soup or stew? They'll blend right in and add a richness and depth of flavor. You can even use pureed beans like chickpeas as a healthy substitute for some of the oil or butter in baking recipes. It's a sneaky way to add extra nutrition without sacrificing taste or texture. So there you have it. Beans and lentils are no longer the wallflowers of the food world. They're stepping into the limelight and showing everyone just how delicious and nutritious they can be. And the best part, they're affordable and accessible to almost everyone. It's time to embrace the bean revolution and make these little powerhouses a regular part of your diet. Your taste buds, your body, and your heart will thank you. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or complicated. Start small, experiment with different flavors and recipes, and most importantly, have fun with it. Want more quick and easy healthy eating tips? Be sure to follow us on social media for more delicious recipes and fun food facts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on the latest updates from the world of food and wellness.